The Quran informs us in a very famous surah, بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر, that we sent down this Quran on the night of Qadr, of power. And elsewhere it is known as Lailatun Mubarakah, a blessed night, a night of power, a night of blessings. And then Allah asks, وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ. What can get you to recognize what is the status of this night? The night in which the Quran was sent down. And then it goes on to answer the question, Lailatul Qadri khayrun min alf shahr. And this is a literary expression, so don't go calculating. Don't go into the world of mathematics. That the night of Qadr is better than 1,000 months. It's a literary expression for a long time, a whole lifetime. There is something in this night which, if you hold on to it, your entire life will be different. And if you don't, your entire life can be wasted. What is it? The answer, of course, is very plain and very clear and very simple, that in this night it is the Quran which was sent down. And if you hold on to the Quran, it will make a difference for your entire life. And if you neglect the Quran, you can pay the price of living an entire life that would be wasted. تَنَزَّلُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ وَالرُّوحُ. And on this night, the anniversary of this night, Allah recognizes this night as important to Him, the night in which He sent down the Quran. So on this night, every year, there is the anniversary of this night, that the angels come down, and the Ruh, which is Jibreel alayhi salam, they come down, min kulli amr, to perform every errand that is assigned to them. What is errand in Bahasa? Togat. Every togat that is assigned to them. What could it be that the angels are sent down? And Jibreel alayhi salam is sent down. Is it to distribute durian? Huh? Is it to forgive sins? It is Allah who forgives sin. The angels don't do that. Then what are they coming down for? That is an interesting question, isn't it? Obviously the answer is that they are coming down to reward those who are faithful to the Quran, and for the others to pay the price for their neglect of the Quran.